Welcome to my Car and Train channel. Today I want to show you in operation my live steam Marklin compound facility. I have a copy of the catalog. This version is the French one, and you can see that this is exactly this model. Actually, the most sophisticated model, which was the compound one, was in 3 different dimensions. I have the smallest one. But beside the size of the boiler and perhaps the size of the dynamo, there is not a lot, and of course the size of the base. It's more or less the same machine or toy that was offered. So let's go and see. I have hooked it up with compressed air. I don't want to steam it. When I was younger, I used to steam those toys, but I have noticed that it's destroying them. The flame, they damage the paint, there is a lot of damage. So this one is almost in a new condition, and I want to keep it that way. Here you go. You can see that it's working. It's working actually very smoothly, and I am very happy about that. One thing that I have done is that I have coupled a voltmeter to the dynamo to see if it's producing current. It's designed to light stand, street lights. I don't think that I have the right light bulb because it's not working, but if you look at the voltmeter, it's producing some current. I think I don't have enough air or the equivalent of the volume of steam to go at the right RPM to have enough voltage at the dynamo level. The thing that I want to show you also is the complete workshop. So with the wheels, you were going to align a shaft in the workshop, and there were bands, and those bands, they would put the motion to the power machine, the lathe, the drill, the saw, and the stone, the grinders. I have also the original Marklin oiler. This is the small water reservoir because the machine does have a water pump, and actually I am using the water pump to go through the boiler. So let's look a little bit more in detail. It's really a pleasure to see it working. Believe it or not, I've had it for a long time, and it's the first time that I see it working. It belonged to somebody. The family was expelled from Germany in 1936. That was the only toy that the boy was allowed to take. He was allowed to take only one toy, and this is this one. I bought, when he passed away, I bought it from the family, and they explained me the story. Apologize for the noise. I have to have a compressed air so that I can run it. Let me try to see and show it to you from above. and the workshop. As you may know, if you are familiar with the channel, I have a lot of steam. Actually, let me show you what is behind. My steel locomotive, my live steam locomotive. I have about, I would say, today, half a dozen of those steam facilities, only Marklin. I used to have many more, but I have decided to focus my collection only on the Marklin brand. So in total, I may have had about 12 of those facilities. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video. Thank you again for watching this video.